Following your presentations on the Industrial Revolution, your teacher will give you your feedback and you will be expected to review both your and your teammates' contributions to this particular project. Remember, the whole purpose of this presentation is to ensure that you perfect and improve upon your public speaking and presentation skills. Now we need to revisit the specific exam-based skills that you will do in your GCSE, which will be based across 3 separate exams. What we would like you to do now is to compose your own choice of assessment question based upon you setting your own level of challenge. We are offering you the chance to attempt one of 4 question styles. 2 of these are 8-mark questions from the GCSE history papers. One is a 12-mark essay question, and the final choice will be a 16-mark essay question. Obviously, the rigour in the 12 and the 16-mark questions is higher than that in the 8-mark questions. When you look at the question stems and the structure that we have provided you with, you can see that we want you to choose the focus of your particular question, which can be based upon what you have studied or an area of interest that you may have studied. So you will need to present to your teacher the assessment questions that you wish to have a go at. These will then be done and assessed against GCSE criteria. So here we have the 8-mark question, the 8-mark importance question, the 12-mark essay question. Over the page we have the 16-mark essay question. Write your preferred assessment and pass it back to your teacher for approval.